Alright, my friends, it is time for us to make something really excited. So what I will do here, we have the previous code that we have wrote in our HTML lesson, and hopefully that you are with me on the same page and you have the exact same code. If not, feel free to pause the video and type it, because in this video we are going to transfer what we can see here, this kind of stuff, these titles, these images, to something like this. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create two column layouts, or how to position your element in your screen. With that being said, let's dive right in. So the first thing first, here we have our code, and we have give each one here an identifier. Right now here in these identifiers, or these names for each tag, will help us to target them with the CSS. This is one of the most powerful use cases for these names, or for these identifiers, the classes and the IDs. We are going to use them to target the HTML with the CSS. So the first rule that you want to keep in your mind, you have to target, okay, target, for example, each tag in his class or in his ID. Okay, so this is the rule number one, that each HTML tag must has a class or an ID that we can use to target with the CSS. Okay, so how do I target the sections? Okay, how do I target the section that has a class or has an ID of courses? So here I have opened my CSS tab, and you can open it just by click on it and drag it here. We have the CSS right here. Now what I will do, in order for me to target any ID, then first of all you have to type the hashtag symbol, then the ID name, in this case courses, like so, and open your color braces. So now we have this rule of CSS that target the section or the courses section. Okay, this is how it is gonna work for IDs. But how it is gonna work for classes? Well, in order for us to target any class, then we have to type the period sign or the dot sign, then the class name, in this case course. Okay, course, it is the class here, the class course for each div individually, and we have the courses section, which we can target by using the hashtag. So hashtag for the IDs, dots for classes, then each one here follows by the name, whether it's a class or it's an ID. So in this video we have showed you how you can target the HTML elements inside your CSS. In the next video we are gonna explain the positioning way of aligning our tags on our web page. See you in that one.